So 5 days on from the crash at Paula right there, or Fox Raceway, whatever you want to call it, for Chase Sexton, the number one, the should-be title contending racer. It took us a week to get an update from both him and also from the team. And to me, it's hilarious how this sport acts with injuries. If you're football, basketball, any other major sport, they're going to have an injury update at least the next day, maybe 2 days at the max. This, we're talking a week, a whole business week before we ever hear anything. And, well, it doesn't exactly sound good. The rumors I've seen were, obviously injured, going to be taking a while. Who knows? There was the one going around that he might be back for Redbud. So there was, a month off, 4 or 5 races missed. Then there's some I've seen. He might not even be back this year, maybe for SMX playoffs. Who knows? But from his Instagram, he did provide an update saying, quote, "My apologies for being quiet on here and not providing an update first off, but I just wanted to come clear the air a bit. As you know, I had a big get off last weekend for the kickoff to outdoors and I'm very sore and beat up, but nothing broken, so that's a positive. With that being said, I will not be racing this weekend and I'm going to get back to 100% before returning. Thanks to the people in my corner and all the kind messages. Good luck to my KTM Factory Racing teammates this weekend." So more ambiguous wording. He's going to wait till he's back to 100% before he's racing, which none of these guys are ever at 100%. So this might just be one of, if not the last race we see of Chase Sexton on a KTM. Obviously, the overarching rumor that seems to just continue to stick is that he's already signed a letter of intent to go to Kawasaki. Obviously, we had the news a couple days ago of KTM saying they're still negotiating with him, so I could be very wrong there. He could get a massive deal from them and decide to stay on that bike, but it doesn't really seem like it. When something like the Kawasaki news has been sticking around for so long, yes, it's a rumor, but at a certain point, things have an edge of truth to them. I don't know how you want to say the words, but this sucks. I mean, obviously, he's wearing the number 1. He should be defending this year, or obviously that's what he came out to do. And now, who knows? We might not see him for a couple weeks, so 1 week, 2 weeks, a month, end of the season. Where we fall in this, well, I guess we're just going to have to wait and see. And we do have a quote from Ian Harrison, the Red Bull KTM Factory Racing team manager, also saying, "It is unfortunate to announce that Chase will be sitting out this weekend for the second round of Pro Motocross at Hangtown. He came off a great 2025 Supercross season and showed phenomenal speed and strength at the opening round of Pro Motocross. Unfortunately, he took a hard hit in the first moto, which sidelined him for Moto 2. After feeling the after effects of that crash, Chase has made the decision, with the support of the team, to sit out this weekend's race. The health and safety of our athletes is the number 1 priority at Red Bull KTM Factory Racing, and we want to ensure that Chase is back to 100% before returning to the bike and the track." Now, who knows? He really didn't show much speed in the race, considering it was, 2 or 3 laps. And you can say, yes, he might have made a very stupid decision with the goggles. Was that an issue for the crash or a cause of the crash? Who knows? It kind of looks like he just kind of hit neutral when he landed and had no forward drive, sent his body over, and from there it is what it is. You gotta say, though, with the goggles, it's a very dumb decision. One, if a rock did hit it and a little bit of dirt got in, it's still probably better to wear them than it is to go with no goggles for the whole round. I mean, the amount of dust and dirt in that place, is insane. For 2, it's early on in the race. If you're losing your goggles that early, pull into the pits, put on some new goggles, sacrifice the few positions you're going to lose, and then try and make them up throughout the race. Save your eyes. It's a way better chance than, I'm going to take these off, throw them, and then try and do the whole moto without goggles. Especially at a place like Paula with how dry it is, dusty, whatever you want to call it, you're going to be just shredded afterwards. And who knows? This might be the last race he goes on Kawasaki, or not Kawasaki, on KTM. And that's purely just conjecture. I mean, I don't know anything. If he decides to stay with the team, if he moves to Kawasaki, it's just kind of an up in the air thing now, but it's just kind of a weird, ambiguous thing of, I'm going to be 100% before I start racing again. To me, that's a very open-ended statement saying could be a month, could be never, and who knows. But that's where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Does he come back this season? Does he just move straight to the Kawasaki? Does he go to Kawasaki? Does he stay at KTM? Whatever it is. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.